The last week, a cockroach party shook the entire Indian internet, and now the Twitter account has been banned. Why? Let me explain in 30 seconds. So it all started with one courtroom comment. All in one page. The last week, a cockroach party shook the entire Indian internet, and now the Twitter account has been banned. Why? Why? Let me explain in 30 seconds. So it all started with one courtroom comment. Someone was and cockroach Awami League. Political circles started some kind of digital protest. Memes, joke, political satire, all in one page. Then on the Thursday, the Twitter account was blocked in India. The biggest question is, was this just a satire or